What's going on, everybody? Thank you for joining me in this 5-minute back workout here. Alright, so you will need a pair of dumbbells, okay? Or two pairs of heavy weights. Alright, fairly the same size, okay? We're gonna warm it on up, nice and easy. Just arms over, chest, open up, nice and wide, okay? So we're alternating. As we go over, other one comes over, okay? Nice and easy. Bring those arms back as far back as you can. Then warming up that back here. Alright, so we got a 5-minute workout. Alright, we got 2 moves, 1 minute each move. We are doing it 2 sets, okay? So that's 2 rounds. Alright, this is just that warm up right here, okay? Alright, gonna reach those hands up. Still warming it on up. Pull those elbows down and up, okay? So it's nice pull down here. Exhale that breath as you pull back. Okay, keep that core engaged here. Nice and easy again. Just warming up that body, warming up the muscles. 10 more seconds and then we'll begin. We're starting with some bent over rows, okay? So you're gonna grab those weights, heavy objects. Nice and easy. All right, here we go. Grab your weights, bent over rows, feet shoulder width apart. All right, soften those knees, okay? So those knees are slightly bent. Back is flat, bottom back, pull back. All right, just right here. Exhale that breath as you pull on back. All right, so from the side view, it's gonna look like this, bottom back, back's nice and flat, spine nice and neutral here. Getting those elbows up, okay? Get nice and controlled. Focus on that back here. Focus on the lats as you pull back. 20 more seconds, all right? Then we're gonna go into some Romanian deadlifts, okay? Romanian deadlifts with those dumbbells. Keeping that back flat here. All right, nice and easy, palms again towards each other. 10 more seconds. Great job, everybody. Good job, nice and easy and controlled. Second move, Romanian deadlifts. Feet shoulder width apart. Soft bend in those knees. Coming down, back is flat. Our shoulder blades are pulled back. Coming down, weights come out, shin level. Come all the way up. Exhale that breath, pull those hips forward, okay? Nice and easy. Again, so this is more than just working that lower back, okay? So this working multiple muscles, working some of the legs as well, okay? The back of the legs. Exhale that breath, okay? Side view. Soft bend in those knees. All right, coming down and up. Spine neutral. All right, exhaling that breath as you come on up. Feet nicely planted on the ground. Great job, don't forget to pull those hips, okay? Just standing up nice and tall. We're not pulling back, so we're leaning back, okay? That's part. Okay, nice and easy, just pull on up, stand it up tall, and come back. All right, second round, back into those rows, hinged over, pull back. Back is flat, okay, bottom back, okay? So a little bit, if you need a little bit of modification here, you can lean up a little bit further, pull back that way. But we don't want to be too tall, okay? We don't want to stand up nice and easy. We're not doing shrugs or anything. Bent over rows, pull back. And get those elbows up and down. Exhale, she come up. Inhale, she come down. Front view, chest forward, bottom back, pull up. 25 more seconds. Nice work, everybody. Again, it's about doing what you can. Okay, if you need a break, go ahead and take it. But I want you to get right back into the exercise, okay? Again, it's only 5 minutes, so I want you to do as much as you can for as long as you can within that 5 minutes. 5 more seconds. Back into that Romanian deadlift. All right, bring it on back up. Shake out that lower back if you need to. That lower back and core was engaged as we hinged over. Coming down and up. All right, so palms are towards you. They're right in front of your legs. They're pretty close. I'm not dragging them down my legs or anything, okay? But they're fairly close to the legs. Coming down, chin level. Again, side view. Looks like this. Back is flat. Our shoulder blades pulled back. Okay, so again, watch that upper back. Do not round it, okay? If you're getting tired, do not round it like this. All right, pull those shoulder blades back, flatten it out. Come on up. If you are rounding that back, take a little breather, okay? Body's probably getting tired. Okay. Exhale as you come up. We got 10 more seconds. We're almost done. Push through it. Build that muscle, build that strength. And time, all right. Great job, everybody. Go ahead and bring that weight down. All right, just lean it on over. All right, stretching out that reach for the ground. Stretching out that lower here. All right, we're gonna bend those knees, hands on them. We're gonna round that back here. Okay, we're gonna do a standing cow pose, okay? Sticking that chest forward, rounding the back. Round that back up, cat pose. Round it on back down. Round it back up. Reach up those hands, side to side. Back and center. Nice job, everybody. And thank you for joining me.